Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Samuel, where we say that the first 3 months we are going to explore computer technologies. So far, we have looked at what is computer literacy. We have also looked at saving a file in Word document. And this video, we are going to look at Microsoft Excel as the second Microsoft package after Word. So today, let us set our objective that by the end of this video, what are you supposed to have understood as a must? So today, the first learning objective is, why is Microsoft Excel necessary? What are key terms in Microsoft Excel, and how do we save Excel file, and many other objectives as we shall discover as we are moving together. I remind you to subscribe, share for more updates like these ones. So in the previous video on Microsoft Word, I told you different ways how to open your application. I showed you how to open Word document in different ways. So let us use this format of right clicking, then we go to new, then we want Excel, right? We want Excel. Excel, it is down here. So let us name it, because I expect you to have understood how to save and to have understood how to save as. So I will not then go back in those things because we already finished them. So if you have not watched the previous video, I remind you to first go back and learn how to save and save as, because right away we are going to start on this. So let us save our file as this. So let us open it. Now, as you have seen, that Excel is spreadsheet, as a sheet, as you can know, a sheet like sheets in a book. However, in Excel, the sheets have rows and columns, and the intersections of rows and columns are called cells, and each cell has a specific name. So this is sheet 1, and you can see sheet 2, you can see sheet 3, and if you want to add more sheets, then you click here, as you can say, insert worksheet. So you can see. Then, what is a cell? Oh, why is spreadsheet necessary? Microsoft Excel. This Excel helps you in calculations. It is calculation based, like giving total number of marks, positions, and as we shall look at them in the next video. So subscribe for you to watch that video, because you will be notified. So let us understand few concepts in Excel, then we call it a day. Excel, we have, as I have told you, that worksheet consists of rows and columns. The columns are named alphabetically. This is A, this is B, this is C, like that until where you want to stop. And the rows are named numerically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until. So now the intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. This is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell. So, and a cell is named accordingly. That, for example, now, this is a cell. This cell is named as A1. You first with a column, then a row. So you have, this is cell A1, cell B1, and you can see here on the name box that wherever you click in the name box, it will show you. And this highlighted cell is called an active cell. So the name box displays an active cell. Now like this. This is an active cell where you can see from here Q13. So the active cell is the highlighted cell. Now the formula bar, this one helps you in computations, as we shall see in the next video, that whatever formula you put in a cell, it will be displayed in the formula bar. So after that, you save normally as I taught you how to save. Seeing as so you save. So now here, if you use the other approach that I have used, like new, then you create you open a file, here it has saved itself automatically. The other name that you had given, it is here. This one shown with double N here, it had saved itself automatically, so you don't need to save again the moment you open Excel in the approach that I use. But if you open in the other way, then you have to save again. So let us open once again here. Let's open once again here. So basically, yeah, let us go and save as. So you can see what I was talking about, that it was already saved. The other approach of right clicking and you create a file, that one it comes automatically when it has saved. So when you want to save as, then that's when you can change its name. So here it is the same approach that you have to use 97-2003. On Excel you use Excel 97-2003 workbook. So for it to open everywhere. So thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe, share, like, comment for more videos. Thank you very much.